Alrighty, here we go, guys. This is David over here at Dees Garage in the city of Corona, California. Just gonna explain a little bit of what we do here at Dees Garage. This is an automotive shop. We specialize in window tinting and auto glass replacement. Here I have these two vehicles that just got done. So we did the Honda Accord here. We added our window tint, our second package, which is our color stable film. Customer wanted a little bit of privacy and heat rejection. So as you can see, the tint's a little dark. I do have different shades available and different packages that you can choose from. It's always best to stop by the shop to take a look at them, and I'll be more than happy to explain to you guys here the different options. Okay, so that's that. That looks really good. This Jeep here came in for our windshield replacement. So the customer had a chip on the windshield, and if you don't take care of those chips right away, they will spread. Once it spreads, it's no longer fixable. You will need to replace it. Keep in mind, we also do chip repairs. So if you're getting those rock hits on that freeway, you can get it repaired before it's too late, and then you have to replace it. Okay, we can also help you out with that. Keep in mind, these new cars are coming in with all kinds of new sensors and all that good stuff, so it's better to get it fixed before it's too late. Okay, anyway, so we replaced the windshield on this one. We did use an original OEM glass. That's what the customer wanted. That's what we got them. As you can see there, that's the Mopar. That's the original OEM glass for this vehicle. It's got all the nice designs on here. As you can see, it's got the little Jeep Willys on there. All the original molding. That tape is just there temporarily to hold the glass in place while the adhesive dries out. Okay, so that's just a few things that we do here. We also do other services. If you guys are interested in any of these services, please contact us here at Dees Garage in the city of Corona, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you guys would like to come in, book an appointment, you're more than welcome to. Or if you want to book an appointment over the phone, you can do so. Alright, there's the info. Thank you guys.